Stop scrolling. I need to tell you something that nobody in your circle is talking about. There is a wealth transfer happening right now, and most people will miss it completely. The ones who understand what I am about to share, they will look back at this moment as the turning point that changed everything. Right now, while most people are watching, complaining, and waiting, a small group is quietly building income systems powered by artificial intelligence. Not tomorrow, not next year, today. And the gap between those people and everyone else is growing every single hour. Here is the thing most people get wrong about AI. They think it is just a chatbot, a toy, a shortcut for lazy people. Wrong. AI is leverage. And leverage, compound leverage, is the only force in history that has ever created wealth at scale for ordinary people in record time. If you want to be one of the people who actually uses this moment, not just watches it, subscribe right now and hit the bell. I drop practical, no-fluff breakdowns every single week. This series will be one of the most valuable things you watch this year. You have my word. Every single generation gets one defining window. Land, industry, the internet. Each time, a small group saw it early, moved fast, and built generational wealth. Everyone else watched from the sidelines and said, I wish I had seen that coming. AI is that window. Right now, are you going to be in the first group or the second? Think about what has actually changed. A single person sitting at a laptop can now produce the output of an entire team. Content, strategy, code, customer service, product creation, all of it compressed into hours instead of months. That is not an upgrade. That is a complete rewrite of how value gets created on this planet. So how do you actually profit from this? One principle: create more value than anyone around you, faster than anyone around you. AI is the tool that makes that possible. It does not matter if you are a student, a freelancer, a business owner, or someone who has never made a dollar online. The formula is the same for everyone. Think of AI as a multiplier on your existing skills. You write, now you produce 10 times more content. You consult, now you deliver 10 times faster. You create, now you ship 10 times more products. The effort stays the same. The output explodes. That is the game. But here is the brutal truth most gurus skip. AI will not save someone who does not think. It amplifies everything. Your good ideas become great, and your bad habits become disasters faster. The winners in the AI era are not the most technical people. They are the clearest thinkers who use AI as a weapon, not a crutch. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if that hit. Right now, the playing field is still open. In 18 months, it will be crowded. In 5 years, it will be saturated. The people who move in this window, the window you are in right now, will have an advantage that simply cannot be bought or copied later. Early movers in every revolution became the legends everyone else studied. AI erases the barriers that used to protect the elite. You no longer need a degree to produce expert-level content. You no longer need capital to build a product. You no longer need a team to run a business. The walls that kept ordinary people out, demolished. What would you build if you knew you could not fail? Tell me in the comments. Now the counterpoint, and I want you to really hear this. Because AI is accessible to everyone, average output is rising fast. The bar for good enough is moving up daily. Mediocre content, mediocre products, mediocre thinking, they will get buried. This is not a warning to scare you. It is a challenge to push you to be exceptional. Here is the exact strategy that separates winners from wasters. Use AI for speed and scale. Use your brain for direction and judgment. Never outsource your thinking to any tool. The people crushing it right now follow a simple loop. Think deeply, prompt precisely, execute fast, refine relentlessly. That loop, mastered, is an unfair advantage. Let me paint you a picture of where this goes. 12 months from now, someone watching this video will have built a content channel that runs semi-automatically. Another person will have launched a product that sells while they sleep. Another will have replaced their job income entirely. The only difference between them and someone who just keeps watching? One decision, made today. And here is the uncomfortable thing I need to say before we wrap up. Most people watching this will do nothing. Not because they are incapable, because taking action feels risky, uncomfortable, uncertain. But staying still while the world shifts under your feet, that is the real risk. The cost of inaction in an era of acceleration is everything. So here is your 24-hour challenge, and I want you to actually do this, not just nod. Open any AI tool, create one thing, a post, a script idea, an email, a product concept. It does not need to be perfect. It needs to exist. Then come back to this channel, because the next episode builds directly on what you just created. Will you take the challenge? Comment AI series below right now if you are committing to this journey. I read every single comment. In the next episode, I will break down the exact AI stack that is working right now, tools, prompts, and the complete income system behind it. Subscribe so you do not miss it. The question is never whether the opportunity is real. The question is always whether you will show up for it.